Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip archives for your OPPO Reno5 Z. So in order to do this, you need to get the RAR app. We've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now find the files that you want to unpack. Simply click on it, then click on this arrow pointing up button, and right here you can change any extraction options, but it's not necessary. You can go for the browse to pick the designation where the files will be unpacked, and I want them in this folder right here, so click OK on that. After you've changed any of the settings, you can click on OK again, and that way you'll unpack your files. Now let's navigate there, and they're right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.